China Harbour Engineering Company Limited, founded in 1980, is one of the earliest Chinese companies engaged in international engineering projects. As an overseas platform company under CCCC, one of the global Fortune 500 companies, it has expanded the foreign markets on behalf of CCCC and already becomes a world-acclaimed contractor with branch offices in over 90 countries and projects in over 100 countries or regions. CHEC cooperates closely with international leading consultancies and financial institutions to deliver one-station solutions to international clients, taking advantage of complete industry chain and resource integration ability. Specializes in infrastructure construction of all modes, including marine engineering, dredging and reclamation, road and bridge, rail, aviation hinge, housing and public works, complete equipment, environmental engineering, and so on. CHEC has developed world-leading expertise and proprietary technology that have been successfully applied to projects all over the world and turned dreams into reality. CHEC has global competency in marine engineering and undertook 90% of the port and waterway works along the sea or rivers in China, as well as a large amount of international projects, including Shanghai Yongshan Port, the largest offshore deep-water and container port of the world. New Port in Doha, Qatar, a dry construction project with the longest once-completed port line in the world construction history. Abidjan Port, Côte d'Ivoire, the largest port in West Africa. Having the most powerful dredging fleet in the world, CHEC is able to undertake dredging and reclamation works of any size and complexity. By adopting large steel sheet pile and offshore dry vibrating gravel pile technology, CHEC has overcome the challenges of heavy sludge and aviation height limit in the artificial island project of Hong Kong Zhuhai-Macau Bridge and 3 runaway projects of Hong Kong International Airport, providing an environment-friendly and new stable solution for the establishment of offshore land. CHEC has successful experience in the construction of roads and bridges under different geographic conditions, including urban, mountainous, and sea areas, even in the desert, swamp and plateau, and some other worse ones. Hong Kong Zhuhai-Macau Bridge, the second Penang Cross-Sea Bridge in Malaysia, the 4th bridge across Panama Canal, and other world-renowned bridge projects constructed by CHEC are honored the Brunel Award by ICE. CHEC has participated in more than 60 railway or expressway constructions at home and abroad, including the Harbin-Dalian high-speed railway, which meets the highest construction standard in world-frozen areas, the Lanzhou-Xinjiang high-speed railway, which travels through the complicated geographic features of plateau, mountain, Gobi, and desert, the Beijing-Shanghai high-speed railway, with maximum speed of 380 kilometers per hour, as well as the East Coast Rail Line in Malaysia, the largest ongoing overseas project constructed by Chinese enterprises. CHEC has also participated in metro projects in Beijing, Shanghai, Shenzhen, Macau, Singapore, and Kuala Lumpur of Malaysia, and so on. In 2019, CHEC won the bidding competition in Colombia for the Bogota Metro Line 1 project, of which the total contract value exceeded $5 billion. CHEC provides customers around the world with integrated airport construction services and has participated in the construction of a number of global airport projects, such as Beijing Capital International Airport, Hong Kong International Airport, Myanmar, Nebi International Airport, Sri Lanka, and Bantota International Airport, and so on. CHEC has abundant experiences in construction of high-rise buildings, gyms and stadiums, and municipal administration projects. The Grand Lisboa Hotel has become the landmark building in Macau, and the Hambantota International Cricket Stadium successfully served as a venue of 2011 Cricket World Cup. Macau Boundary Crossing Facilities Project of Hong Kong-Zhuhai-Macau Bridge won the title of ENR Global Excellent Port Project. CHEC is capable of providing services of complete equipment purchase and installment, including harbor engineering, engineering ship, electric power system, automatic control, professional warehouse, and industrial packaged workshop. CHEC has also engaged in environmental protection projects involved with wastewater treatment, desludging of river and recycling of waste, being responsible for construction and operation of such projects as Hong Kong Integrated Waste Management Facilities and Tuas Sewage Treatment Plant in Singapore. Investment and operation have become CHEC's new business growth after reform, with strong resource integration competence, worldwide network superiority, top partner resources, and strong financial strength. CHEC can provide an integrative solution of investment, management, construction, operation, and exit to meet the global customer's urgent need for infrastructure development. The business invested by CHEC is all over the world, and the sum of investment has reached billions of dollars, covering a variety of industries such as port, infrastructure, electrical energy, and urban development. In Jamaica, CHEC invested $0.7 billion to construct and manage the North-South Highway, an artery connecting North and South Jamaica. In Nigeria, CHEC has invested $1.1 billion in construction and operation of Lekki Port, which is one of the power engines for Nigeria's economic development. In Colombia, CHEC has invested $1.07 billion in construction and operation of Mar 2 project, which is the first PPP project implemented by Chinese enterprises in Latin America and will greatly promote economic development in regions alongside. In Indonesia, the total investment in CCCC Graceland, developed by CHEC, approximates $0.8 billion, and CHEC is also committed to building a model of high-end real estate in Jakarta. In Sri Lanka, CHEC invested $1.4 billion to develop and construct the Colombo International City, South Asia's future business, culture, and finance center. In the United States, with a total investment of nearly $1 billion, CHEC has joined with related companies to develop the Grand Avenue, which will be a landmark urban complex project in Central Business District of Los Angeles. Based on the enterprise principle, CHEC is willing to work with partners for economic and social development. Thus, CHEC impresses the locals with its responsible image. CHEC will remain committed to carrying forward the public charity work and making contributions to local community as a responsible corporate citizen.
Hello tomorrow.
Hello tomorrow.
Hello tomorrow.
We are building a closer world. We are sharing a better life. We are creating a brighter future.